All right, everyone, we are about halfway through this series, 14 shots down, 16 to go. So, before we continue into advanced territory, I want to do a quick check in. So, we have covered a lot: repositories, commits, branches, pull requests, commands. And this is a good moment to pause and make sure everything is clicking. So, in this video, I'm going to do a rapid fire recap of everything that we have learned so far. If something doesn't make sense, now is the time to go back and rewatch the next 16 shots built on this foundation. So let's make sure we are solid before moving forward.
User, and this so it actually keeps on building. It's the same way you're building your application, right? And now let's move on to the interesting part, the commit message style. So speaking of commit messages, I'm going to do a quick poll because this is quite important. So I'm having the answers here. So which one do you think is better, right? The option A or option B in terms of commit? Um,
Option B.
Option B. Okay, thank you. Yep. So option B is a way better, and I'll tell you why. Because imagine you're coming back to this project in 6 months, so you see fixed stuff like a commit message, like fixed stuff. So you'll have no idea what you fixed. But just imagine if you have like fixed login button not responding on mobile, so immediately you know what that commit was about. You don't need to even, in fact, go inside the code, and you don't have to even see the changes as well, right? So your team will actually thank you for that. So when your colleague is like tracking down a bug or looking, because we are not always going to be the same project, and we keep on changing, and someone else will come, and when they watch it, they should understand what exactly has happened, right? So always keep like go through your commit history and understand like what has happened, and keep always descriptive messages, and that will actually save lots of hours and effort for everyone of your dedicated detective work. So talking about some real world tip, uh, many companies, they enforce commit message standards. Yes, there is again a page. I will like I'll show you that. So if you go to the GitHub docs, there is exactly a page where they will give you the exact format to enforce the commit message standard. Some useful formats like actually there are like formats